Hello student, I am Syamla. In today's section we will talking about digital marketing strategy. But before we get starting video section, let's look at the agenda. In today's world of online communication and transaction, digital marketing is very essential. It does not really matter about the size or type of organization you are into, unless you are have to a proper plan, and also you aware of the digital marketing strategy. So in order to help you guys with creating an upright plan, disclosing on digital marketing strategy is your one stop solution. So firstly, I talking about what do you need a digital marketing strategy for your business plan, and then we will see what exactly is digital marketing strategy, followed by which we'll see how to get started with planning, and then we'll see what are the key points to be noted while working on digital marketing strategy, and then we will see how to structure or plan a digital marketing plan. And finally I wrap up the section to talking about the tactics to tackle the challenges that arrives while planning. So I hope the agenda was clear to you guys. Now let's begin the section. First topic, I will be discussing why you need a digital marketing strategy. So each company has a specific set of goals, but the measure of them are only concentrating their will, driving a sales of their organization, and trending new gateway to success is your some tasks. This is where marketing strategy come into the picture. To make a company's work more effective, you have must take advantages of all the post valuable marketing resources and technologies. So that case internet tops that list. Now gathering some information and planning our proper business strategy is definitely going to benefit your organization. So this is exactly why we need digital marketing strategy. Now, what exactly, according to you, what is digital marketing strategy? A digital marketing strategy is basically a plan of action to achieve your digital marketing goals. A strategy is basically a plan of action which is achieved by a particular goals. All right. Now the marketing channels like paid ad or social media marketing, all of these are come under this strategy. Now depending upon job scales, the strategy might involving plannings each a different agenda and the end of results. Now when I face strategy, it is most certain that it need more creative of thinking and also difficult to create. So let's see how to get strategy with strategizing your business operations. So here you must know facts that influencing the growth of any organization. So the first thing would be branding. So you have to outline your organization guidelines that will help in the online campaigns, and also do focusing on USB, that is unique selling point, for more sales conversation. Now the next is create SMART goals. SMART basically stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and timely results. So to strategy business in the way that is benefits both customers as well as the organization, you need SMART goals. Now the next is build buyer's persona. You have to determine your business reach, target a proper self of customers and gain the trust right. Uh, After you build a buyer's persona, you have to choose the right marketing strategy. After setting a proper goals, you need to choose in terms of strategy, guys, focus on a few techniques that offer most value for your business and trendy strategy. After this, you have to set proper marketing budget. Budget plays a very important role in your business, so you need to know why to invest and what you should invest in. After this, you have to launch your marketing campaigns. After proper planning, launch your campaign across the marketing channel and ensure all your channel features the appropriate tracking information. Now, once you finish planning and launching your marketing campaigns, you need to keep track of the results. So, in order to monitor and measure the performance strategies, you need to keep at track of your results. This is can be done by using tools like Google Analytics, which is one of the very useful tool in this case. So this is exactly how you get started with planning your business strategy. Now the next thing that I have in the list is key points to note while creating a strategy. So the first one is now what your business requires. Set an corresponding objective. You should be very particular about your business goals and also certain objectives. So the objective go something like this: the digital marketing mission must fit into your impressive plan. You should also be take able to set a measure your KPIs and also get familiar with these by identify this figure you want to achieve and also be ability to previous digital marketing analyze efforts for better KPIs and also identify and measure each of your KPIs. So before you get starting with your strategy concept, what you need to know business requires. Analyze your past efforts and try not to come busy mistakes. This is most theoretic part, guys. You would have already worked something, you would have failed miserably, so you should try not to be committed some mistakes again to fall into the same pit. So analyzing past digital marketing efforts, failure and success, and also correcting yourself is more than enough to have a business running smoothly. This can also really help in setting best keeping eyes. Now the next is communication. How you communicate with your customers. Always remember you talking to and try to talk business in their language. Do not let the planning and take away trying to reach. So you know your audience well. Try to be more interactive with them. Now next is identify your means. Three things very important to the identify your means, guys. These are mainly budget, your digital channel and your marketing them. Without three, you is better out you don't have marketing department at all. So it is always important to stock all your resources before deciding on what is you might for the next period. The next on the list is make an effective plan. Create a productive plan is a tough task, but you should take every care to product is a constructed plan based on a set of insightful assumptions and analysis. You should product exactly how your customer good behavior. So monitoring the performance your digital marketing strategy is really very important. So these are the key points you should note when you are creating digital marketing strategy. Now the next top that we'll be talking about would be how to structure your digital marketing plan. So integrating digital marketing strategy is you will give you a foundation of all key online marketing activities. So here are the few marketing activities, guys. So the first one would be planning. Considering using is a data driving approach to review a current digital marketing effectiveness, customers analysis, keep your dashboards and smart objectives in order to create strategy of priorities, implementation, and how you display digital marketing media technology and data to increase leads, which in turn increasing the sales. So planning is the first step to success. The next one would be reach. You should be able to build awareness using online marketing channel like social media, SEO, content marketing, and so on, which will be drive visit to your sites. And the next visit your sites. And the next one is the act. Always encourage interaction on your websites or sometimes social media, which will help you generate leads. So after you plan and reach your customers and also act upon the each, and you should know how to convert them. Once you know the people are loading on your web page, you should know how to convert to visit to save. So the conversion place is very important role in digital marketing strategy. The superlative goals is to generate revenue by regretting and CRO, that is a conversion rate optimization, in order to remain and pursue your audience to buy way. Have one of the marketing channels. Now that you got conversation, you should know to engage yourself with the people. So engagement plays a vital role in digital marketing strategy. So once you engage more with your customers, it eventually increasing the number of sales from your existing customers by improving personalizing communication using web, emails, social media, and many more. Okay, so now that is got an idea of how to strategize your business goals. Now let's move ahead to take a look at the tactics to tax the challenges that you will be facing your marketing strategy. So you can tackle digital marketing via a digital strategy made up of mainly different tactiles. When all these tactiles are used together, they create a holistic approach to getting a business model. Do not forget to shift your focus on content marketing, because this is helping a lot of industries to brand their products and the companies as well. So content marketing is gaining a lot of advantage or lot of important these days. So shift your focus to content marketing and also understand organic content and paid advertising within your digital marketing strategy. I would say this because a lot of noise completing for your customer attention online. There are countless articles, videos, and advertisements flashing their eyes every day. While this is happening, organic content is still important to your SEO ranking and social media campaigns. So do focus on organic content and paid advertising. So these are all the challenging that will be coming across while strategizing your business plans. Also with this will come to the end of this video on digital marketing strategy. I hope you guys you all are clear these topics. And the next section we discussing social media planning process. Thank you guys.